And magandang araw mga kaliga. This is your Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 3 Semifinals for 13 under division. It's the San Beda facing the GTO Arrows. The winner here will face the Makati series player only. And it is a very crucial game. First possession for the side of the Arrows. DK Manahan gets denied by Ralph Cruz. And the San Beda here wearing their white-red jerseys and the sky blue jersey for the GTO Arrows. Here's number 3. The shot won't drop. Mendiola gives it to Chan. A correction, that's Cruz. Balik ang bola sa Arrows. DK driving, bumping, DK Manahan. Napasabit yung depensa ng San Beda doon. First free throw for DK. Wala on the first one. And there's a foul, double foul on that last play. Both teams here still scoreless in this game. Here's Tolentino, Apollo. Garadang Akampe. Gives it to the corner. That's number 8, Dion Chan. Shot clock reads 9. The swing, Lucas Mendiola. And intercepted there. 3 seconds on the shot clock now. Let's see kung ano play dito ng San Beda. Lucas for 3. Yes, sir! Lucas Mendiola fires away a 3-pointer off the bank. And first blood for the San Beda. Here's Miggy Liao. Miggy spins, putting him on a blender. That's Miggy Liao finishing underneath the basket. Isagon gives it to Lucas. Susubok naman si Chan. Back-to-back 3-pointers for the San Beda. And they complete the steal. Lucas Mendiola kicks it out. Apollo wants to try a 3 of his own. Won't drop. Chan ngayon. The pull-up jumper. Wala pa rin. Nakanino ang bola. Isagon. Siya naman nasusubok. Wala pa rin. Here's Chencha. Gives it to Lakaya. They want to set things here. DK. Gives it to Lakaya. Corner 3. Won't drop. Rebound secured by Isagon. Isagon on a foot race. He pulls back. Gives it to Cruz. Lucas Mendiola. Apollo for the 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Cruz. Cruz ngayon. Chan for 3. Won't go. And if finish there, wala. Tumatakbo yun. Here's Isagon driving. And the ball goes back to the side of sa San Beda. And Here's Cruz. The floater is good for Ralph Cruz. Here's Jake Almeida. Full court pressure applied ng mga bedista. DK. Steal by Lucas Mendiola. Isagon stepping on the gas pedal. Isagon won't drop. Rebound secured by Almeida. Vincent Scienza pushing the ball. And the ball goes to the side of the Arrows. Timeout muna tayo. GTU Arrows would like to talk things over. And both teams here starting off aggressively. And we'll be right back after this timeout. And let's see kung anong play dito ng GTU Arrows. The jumper for Miggy. Won't go. Who gets the ball? San Beda gets the letter. Here's Dion. Crossing over. Kicks it out to Apollo. Balik kay Isagon. Balik kay Dion for 3. Wala. Rebound by Chan. Chan. The jumper is good for Dion Chan. A correction. That's Ron Cruz. And there's a foul on that last play. And a substitution here as we see the first. That's Omar De Leon checking in for the side of San Beda. Here's DK Manahan. He gives it to number 25. That's Baruela. DK. One dribble jumper. No good. Rebound secured by Apollo. A forward pass. Nakuha ni Dion Chan. And the ball goes back to the side of the Arrows. There's Meneses. And there's a foul by number 26. That's Omar De Leon. Number 30 gives it to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, the drop. Good find for Baruela. Tumatakbo yun. San Beda. Zik Edades off the bench. And the save. Ayaw nakuha ng mga Arrows. Meneses, the rotor is good for Meneses. And a traveling violation from the side of San Beda. Good defense from the part of GTU Arrows on that possession. With Scienza. Ito Baruela. Edades. Balik ang bola sa Arrows. And balik ang bola sa San Beda. Left forward pass. And 2 free throws coming up for Noel Aban. As Aban misses on the first. And he makes the second. Full court pressure applied by the San Beda. Shansha, elbow jumper, misses on that one. And basket end one for Jake Almeida. And that's a foul on De Leon. That's his second foul. Kaya naman magpapahinga muna siya dito. DeAndre Tuazon coming in for the first time for the San Beda. Here's Jake. And he gets his own miss. Meneses with a jumper, wala. Jake Almeida pa rin. Iligay kay Meneses. Kanina bola. Aban. Balikan bola sa araw. Shansha now. Vincent. Drives. Zeke Edades now. Forward pass. That's Aban. Wala pa rin. Juan Isagon. And there's a foul on that last play. And makakatayo naman agad si Isagon doon. Two minutes and 33 left here in the first quarter. As Ralph Cruz floats it up and in. Another basket for Ralph. And the pitch ahead. And he travels on that one. Nakapasobra yung tapak niya on that move. Edades floater. 4 points for Zeke Edades here in the first. The Pinoy step. DK drops it off. Good find for Meneses. Edades. Muntik maagawan pero may foul na tinawag on that last play. That's on number 28. Yedin De La Cruz. Kaya naman balik dito si Biko Lakaya. Also Miguel Yao back in the game for the Arrows. Zeke drives. Zeke, the drop basket find to Isagon. And a steal by Ralph Cruz. Ralph pushing the gas pedal. And balik kay Isagon for another dose. The ball movement and the unselfishness play here for the San Beda showing up. Yan naman nahihirapan ngayon yung Arrows. The forward pass, Miguel Yao gets the basket and one. And good job there from the side of the Arrows, breaking the press and making it sure that they will convert on the offensive side. Napasobra yung San Beda on that last play. Bonus free throw coming up for Migueliao. And the ball goes back to the side of San Beda. Here's Aban. Aban on a foot race. Aban. And there's a call. An offensive foul on number 13. That's Marco Arceo. Here's the Arrows. Gives it to Miggy. Miggy drives, bumps, kicks it out. Lakaya for three. Yes, sir! For Vico Lakaya. That's his first three of this game. He's 1 out of 3. Prior to that, sasagot dito San Beda. Wala. Edades, the flip shot, still no good. As the follow was good for DeAndre Tuazon. 14 seconds left. Almost a steal and a complete steal for San Beda. DeAndre, the pass to Aban. 25-15, 10-point lead, 2 seconds left. A steal. And a strong first quarter for San Beda. 25 for San Beda, 15 for the Arrows. Magbabalik po kami after this break. 3 North Division. And ganun lang. This is the second quarter now. Beruela drives. Long stride. Oh, drop. Naabangan ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz gives it to DK. Fires away. Wala. Ibag pa rin ni De La Cruz. Oh, miscommunication on the part of GT Arrows. And the floater won't drop. DK secures the handle. DK, the bump, the side step. Beautiful move for DK Manahan. Zik gives it to Aban. Gets sounded by 2 guys in blue. Zik for 3. Won't drop. Who gets the ball? And a traveling violation for Cholso. As Dion Chan checks back in. Also number 28. That's Martin Concepcion for the side of San Beda. DK with a move. No go. Rebound by number 33, Miguel Yao. And a steal by Miggy. Miggy on a foot race. Steal by Zik. A counter steal from the side of the Arrows. 4 on 3. Vico Lakaya down there for the deuce. Kaya naman mag-uusap-usap muna dito ang San Beda. Magbabalik po kami after this timeout. 25-21. 4 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng San Beda. And double team, balik ang bola ngayon sa Arrows. Here's DK. The flip shot won't drop. Tatakbo ngayon si Isagon. Dion, and that's his spot. Off the mark. Tuazon now, gives it to Zik. Corner 3. Wala ngayon, nakakuha ni Vico ang bola. And a 3 ball, wala, nakakuha ni Beruela. At that time around. Balik ang bola para sa GTO Arrows. Luis Lakaya setting the table for the Arrows. Gives it to DK Manahan. Lakaya, balik kay DK. He wants the pick. DK uses the screen. The pro hop. No good. And balik ang bola sa San Beda. Here's Tuazon. And the ball stays with the San Beda. Oh. And the ball stays with San Beda. As we see Jake Almeida checking in for the Arrows. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Dion, corner 3. He misses on that one. And a follow-up for Isagon. Wala pa rin. He gets his own miss. Apollo. Shot clock reads 10. Tuazon ang susubok. Tuazon! Locked and loaded. DeAndre Tuazon. As they turn the ball over. Balik ang bola ngayon sa San Beda. Apollo setting the table for the side of San Beda. And a traveling violation para kay Apollo Tolentino. Here's DK, the floater, in and out. The ball secured by San Beda. Isagon kicks it out. A corner 3, Dion Chan. Wala pa rin. Nauna na. A steal by Dion. The pitch. Tuazon with a floater. No good. And may foul na tinawag on Tuazon there. Beruela. Gives it to Hydra. The side step. Oh, drop. Balik ang bola sa mga bedista. (28-21) ang ating talaan. And a steal by DK. DK ahead of the race. DK, the Pinoy step. Overcooks it. Isagon niya yun. Dion. Tatapikan. The ball stays with San Beda. Here's Apollo. Binigay kay Cruz. Zero to Isagon. Shot clock 10 seconds. Isagon. Nagkaroon na papasahan. They turn the ball over. Masyadong mababa yung pasa doon ni Isagon. Kaya naman balik ang bola para sa Arrows. Here's Jake. Gives it to DK. Alley play. Masyadong mataas naman yung pasa. Kaya balik naman yun. Yung bola sa San Beda. Here's Isagon. The side step for Pineda. Wala. And Cruz gets the board. Ako naman yan ng mga GTRs. Jake Almeida against Isagon. Jake. And an offensive foul for Vico Lakaya. Extending his off arm there. Here's Apollo Tolentino. Gives it to Dion. Dion fakes the floater in and out. And a forward pass. Beruela ahead of the foot pack. Beruela finishing at the rim. 28-23. Apollo gives it to Dion. Still no good for Dion Chan. He's been struggling since his first try on the three. DK, Vico, that's his spot. As Jake Almeida pounding his way through. Big boy move. Kaya naman timeout dito ang San Beda. Babalik po kami after this timeout. As he fires away, no good. Jake Almeida pressing the gas pedal. Number 25. Pero wala ang bola. Nakakanino ngayon. DK Manahan with a follow. Wala pa rin. Miguel Yao fighting for that letter. Miguel Yao very resilient for the part of the Arrows. The jumper won't drop. Balik ang bola sa Arrows. Isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng San Beda. A chance for Arrow to take the lead. DK. It is steal by San Beda. Ralph Cruz all the way to the cup, finishing with the left. DK gives it to Jake. The jumper, no good. Rebound ngayon ng Arrows. Miguel Yao with a basket. Isagon all day to shoot. Misses on that one. As we see Lucas Mendiola back in the game. Also Dion Chan and De La Cruz, also Meneses ibabalik para sa side ng Arrows. Steal by Idades all the way to the cup. Idades finishing at the rim. 1 minute left here in the second quarter. And 8 seconds violation. Good defense from the side of San Beda. Lucas. And Dola fakes. Binalik kay Edades. Good ball movement. Isago on the flip shot. Wala. Nakuha niya pa rin yung bola. Isago ngayon. Gives it to Chan. Lucas with the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Gives it to Dion. Balik kay Isagon from drip. And there's a foul on that last play. And they retain possession. Baseline play for the side of San Beda. Lucas, naagawan. Balik ang bola sa mga bedista. 21.1 seconds left here in the second quarter. Lucas, masyado malakas yung pasa. Meneses, naagawan. The ball goes to the side of San Beda. Isagon here. Edades fakes the drive, the flip shot, but there's a foul on Vico Lacaya. And Edades here. The first free throw. Off to the left. Second one, no good for Zip. DK Manahan. And the end of the first half, 32 for San Beda, 29 for the Arrows. Magbabalik po kami after this halftime break. And this is the start of our second half. First possession for the San Beda. Peralta gives it to Isagon. Isagon, step back jumper on drop, rebound by Almeda. Vico wants to set things up for the side of the Arrows. Gives it to Miguel Yao. Jake Almeda gets sounded by three guys in white. Miggy. DK, naghanap ng papasahan. Steal by De Leon. Here's Omar. Omar all the way to the cup. Oh, drop sa kanya pa rin. Omar, the second try. Still no good. The defense from the side of GTO Arrows there. Lacaya. Gives it to DK. He fires a three off to the right. As Jake Almeida with a follow, wala pa rin. Here's Cruz, the short stab on drop. He gets his own miss. Ralph Cruz. He cannot be stopped. DK, he wants the pick. Gives it to the corner. Shot lock 10. The Pinoy step beauty. For number 25, that's Cyril Beruela. Dion, the floater. Wala. Rebound by Jake. Forward pass to DK. Nauna na. DK Manahan. Hang time in the air. DK Manahan. With a finish. And bola natin. Balik sa Arrows. is Lakaya. Gives it to DK. EK using the pick. The side step. Balik kay Manahan. The short stab. Won't drop. Rebound by Ralph Cruz. Zeke Edades kicks it out. Peralta, Ralph with a crossover, with a floater. Smooth like butter for Ralph Cruz. Lakaya for 3. On trap. Rebound secured by Jake Almeda. Miguel Yao. With a basket for Miguel Yao. Edades floats it up off the bank. Masyado lang madali. Si Zigdon. And a 3-pointer on its way. Yun nga lang. May foul na tinawag on number 33. That's Miguel Yao. Full court pressure applied by the Arrows. Shensha steals the ball. Vincent all the way to the cup. Balik sa Arrows ang kalamangan. 37-36. One-point lead for the Arrows. Beruela calling the play. Hands it off to Vincent. Shot clock reached 10. Shensha. Binigay kay Meneses. The flip shot, wala. Rebound by Sanbeda. Steal by Beruela. Oh, miscommunication there on the side of KT Arrows. Vincent. The drive. And a traveling violation for Vincent Shensha. Balik ang bola sa Sanbeda. And also a traveling violation from the side of Sanbeda. And both teams here. And the coach of Sanbeda, laser focus in this game. And ang mananalo nga naman dito will advance to the finals and face the Makati Serious Player Only. DK, he wants the pick. Nagkaroon na papasahan. Nahuli na Sanbeda. Balik sa Arrows ang bola. DK with a follow-up. Wala pa rin. Meneses with a third try is good for Meneses. And DK Manahan fighting for that leather, the hustle of this kid. Grabe ang pinapakita niya dito, both on offensive and defensive side. 3-point lead ngayon para sa Arrows. Isagon, the drop pass. Huli. DK Manahan. DK Manahan hustling on the both sides. Trazon. Balik ang bola ngayon. Sanbeda. Trazon. Shot clock reads 12 seconds. De La Cruz. And there's a foul on that last play. Zip. So to Aban. Balik kay Isagon. Aban. Baseline drive. The floater won't drop. (39-36), 3-point lead for the Arrows. De La Cruz kicks it out. Beruela. Ciencia susubok sa labas. Wala. Manahan gets the ball. And the floater is good for Sarin Beruela. A 5-point lead for the Arrows. The floater is not good. Even secured. And the pitch ahead blocked by Raul Cruz. And timeout muna dito. We'll be right back after this timeout. Biggest lead of the game for the GT Arrows. A 10-point lead. Aban, he fires a three. Wala. Rebound by number 14. And the follow-up is good for the Andre Tuazon. Pabasa walo. 2-2-1 press para sa side ng San Beda. As they compete to steal. Isagon. Balik kay Aban. Isagon susubok sa labas. Wala. Rebound by Apollo Tolentino. Gives it to De Leon. The jumper. No good. Here's De La Cruz. The drive, the drop. Wala ngayon. And Cyril Beruela finishes at the rim. De Leon, forward pass. The floater is good for Isagon. And at the end of the third quarter, nakakuha ng GT Arrows ang kalamangan 47-40. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga fans dito. If you want to win a gift packs from Chef's Magic, you can watch us here live inside the City Arena. Free admissions lang po, and marami pa tayong exciting games na darating for today. And we are back to the ball game. This is the fourth and final quarter. The winner here will face the Makati Serious Player Only in the finals of the North Division. 13 and under as Vico Lacaya. Not wasting any time on that one. They retain the possession as Miguel Yao. There's a push. Oh, number 33, Miguel Yao. The step back for Isago on the drop. Huli. And may foul na tinawag dito ang ating mga referees. Vico Lacaya. Yosito De La Cruz. Kik Almeda. Lagap na papasahan. Almost a steal. But there's a jump ball. A correction. It's a kick ball. The ball goes to the side of GT Arrows. Vico Lacaya setting the table for the side of the Arrows, and there's a hand check foul. Kaya papalitan muna dito si Isagon. Balik si Dion Chan.
Also, Ziquedades for the San Beda.
Vico, the jumper. Oh, drop. Rebound by De Leon. Tuazon. Driving in the lane with a scoop shot, left-handed. Smooth move for Tuazon. As DK Manahan goes all the way to the cup. And the ball stays with the San Beda. And a steal by the Arrows. The finish is good for Cyril Beruela. There's De Leon. The drive is good for Omar De Leon. And 2 points for Cyril Beruela. De Leon once again. Stepping on the gas pedal. Muntik maagawan. Timeout ngayon ng San Beda. Lumalayo na ng bahagya ang Arrows. We'll be right back after this timeout. And we are back. Let's see the adjustments here by the San Beda. De Leon. Here's De Leon. Pounding his way through. Nakakanina bola. Resiliency for Omar De Leon. Vico. Kaninang bola, DK Manahan. And they retain possession 55-46. DK wants the pick. DK driving. Step back jumper. Won't go. Kaninang bola. De Leon fighting for that letter. And Omar De Leon napakasipag. 55-46 ang ating talaan. Here's Ralph Cruz. Cruz kicks it out. Shot clock reads 5. De Leon to Dion. This is big. Nakuha ni Edadis ngayon. And we have a official suspension of play here. And one player still on the floor for the side of San Beda. Again, our official score is 55-46. 9 big lead for the side of the Arrows. 6 minutes and 16 left. Ball goes back to the San Beda. The drive gives it to Dion. Still struggling from way outside as we see Beruela all the way to the cup. Here's the San Beda. Good defense from the side of Arrows as we see Dion Chan still struggling all throughout the game. Dion. Wala pa rin. Meneses gets the ball. Meneses. And he travels the ball. Cruz gives it to number 14. That's DeAndre Tuazon. 57-48. 9-point lead. 3-possession lead for the side of Arrows. Almeida gustong dagdagan at may foul na tinawag on De Leon. And Jake Almeida now taking free throws. And it's good. 58-48. Second free throw for Jake. Misses on that one, but DK Manahan gets the ball. Huli ni Raleigh Cruz doon. And that's foul on Jake Almeida. Four minutes and 45 left here in the fourth quarter. Dion, open. Wala pa rin para kay Dion Chan. DK kicks it out. Almeida long two. 12-point lead for the Arrows. De Leon. Pinalik. And a follow-up is good for Raleigh Cruz. 60-50. Jake drops it off, and DK Manahan was called for a traveling violation there. And It's a dribbling violation for the side of San Beda. Jake. City de la Cruz. Vincent, the jumper, won't drop. Miguel Yao. Siya ang susubok. Wala pa rin. Here's Vincent against 3 defenders. No problem for Vincent Sciencia. Zik, he wants to try a 3 of his own. Not that time. And they turn the ball over. This is Hagon calling the play for the side of San Beda. Tuazon. Sagon with a jumper. Oh, drop. Sagon drops it up to Cruz. Nakaninang bola. And another basket from the side of the GV Arrows. 50-64. 14-point lead. As DeAndre Tuazon makes that basket. We are in the twilight zone. Last 2-minute mark. Brought to you by Doride. Ang bola ng Pinoy, the first official game ball of Junior MPBL at the first Pinoy basketball. At pag-uusap-usap muna dito ang San Beda. We'll be right back after this. Tuazon. Tips ito Isagon. Balik kay Tuazon ngayon ang bola. Tuazon, the floater. Wala. And Jola wants to try a 3. Wala pa rin. Isagon ngayon. The jumper. Pero may foul na tinawag. And 2 free throws coming up for Isagon. The first free throw, he misses on that one. Second free throw is good. Full court pressure applied by the San Beda. Here's Vico. Lakaya gives it to DK. Vico, top of the key, 3. Yes sir for Vico Lakaya. 16-point lead for the Arrows. Mendiola gets outed by Lakaya. Ralph Cruz. Bigay ngayon, nakakanina bola. Isagon with a sidestep. Beauty for Andre Isagon. And a steal by the San Beda. Lucas Mendiola. A basket for Lucas Mendiola. And timeout muna dito ang GT Arrows. We'll be right back after this. DK. And a traveling violation for the side of Arrows. Tuazon. Balik kay Isagon. Isagon ngayon. Tuazon naman. Aban. Corner slot. 3 is good for Aban. 9-point lead for the Arrows. And balik ang bola sa San Beda. DeAndre. Nagkaroon ng papasahan. Lucas ngayon. Siya naman ang susubok. And may foul na tinawag on the side of Arrows. And penalty situation. The free throws now for Ralph Cruz. His free throw is no good. Second free throw is good for Ralph. 9.6 seconds left. And a traveling violation for the side of Arrows with 2.3 left. And that should do it. GT Arrows wins over the San Beda 69-61. They will face the Makati Serious Player only in the finals. And magbabalik po kami para sa ating Game Awards. And congratulations to our Growy Defensive Player of the Game, number 1, Ralph Cruz. 7 rebounds, 4 steals, and 3 blocks. And our Milo assist champ of the game, number 71, DK Manahan with 6 assists. Chef's Magic Player of the Game, number 25, Cyril Beruela with 18 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists and 2 steals. Cyril, double-double performance for you. Congratulations sa panalo. Finals na kayo ngayon. Matanong lang kita kanina, napakaganda na laban nyo against San Beda. Lumamang sila nung una pero na-manage nyo pa rin manalo sa huli. Paano nyo nakuha yung ganong composure and ano yung mga sinabi sa'yo ng coaches nyo?
Nagsipag lang po kami at natulog po kami ng umaga. Nag-breakfast po kami at naging early po kami sa dito po.
Okay, this time baka may mga gusto kang pasalamatan or i-shoutout.
Salamat po sa buong pamilya ko, kila Tito B, kila Tita Ina, kay Vico, sa buong coaches ko, kay Jaden, kay Rio, kay DK, syempre kay Queen, yun lang po.
Once again, our Chef's Magic Player of the Game, Cyril Beruela with double-double performance, 18 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists and 2 steals. Mga kaliga, huwag kayong alis. Marami pa tayong games dito. We have 2 finals game left here in the Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 3. Stay tuned.